In this video, we are going to see how we can adjust the desktop view if you have problems with multiple windows. So let's see how we can resolve this. Now, before we start entering the opening balances of inventory, let me show you one scenario. And as we can see that multiple windows are remained open in QuickBooks, and this can take a lot of time in loading. And whenever you want to close it, you want to close all of these manually. So if I don't want to keep all of these windows open by default, I'll go to Edit and Preferences. And from here, I'll go to the desktop view and select, instead of multiple windows, I'll keep it to one window. And you can also keep it, don't save the desktop. So in that case, it will not save all the current windows at the current position. Click OK. And now it should work fine and load quickly.